Good morning and welcome back to Granite City Cell Phone Repair. Coming at you this morning from the world's smallest cell phone repair shop. And I'm on my way now to meet a customer who has a Samsung A13. The phone was dropped and now the power button isn't working. I've got a few ideas of what this might be. The only way to find out, stay tuned. Alright, so what we actually have here is a Samsung A13, not an A32. But luckily, I also have that power button in stock, just in case it's a bad button. Let's open this thing up, see what's going on. Connector looks good. Okay, feels good. All right, ta-da! New button works. Great outcome here. Just was a faulty power button. Must have gotten damaged after the drop. So we're screwing covers back into place. Thanks for watching today. Trying to keep the video short and sweet, get right to the point. If you're enjoying them though, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. That way you'll get a notification every time I drop a new video. It also helps the channel to grow, which is what we want. We want more people to be able to see this wonderful content from the world's tiniest cell phone repair shop. So until next time, take care.